Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this, the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, and so I'm not sure this is from Q case or A case. So I'm pretty sure. I think I'm pretty sure that it is from Q case. So don't mistake me, guys. There are a lot of cars which I didn't unbox at all. Even from last year, I'm talking about 2023. I do have more than like 50 or 60 cars still in a box without unboxing. So those are not even shown it. Okay. So if you know from which case this particular car is, I think it is Q case, but I just want to ask. Okay, so I just saw this, when I was just looking for what to unbox. This really catched my eye because this one was recently bought to me by one of my friends. So I thought, okay, let's unbox this one as well. So you can see the color, it looks really nice. Okay, so I bought it for MRP, which is 179. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay. Okay. So here is the car. And okay, the first impressions of this car. So the paint job looks glossy and does look bit nice compared to even the other cars which we unboxed. So it looks kind of the Spectra Flame paint job, but it is not. Even the ones like the super treasurance I'm talking about, those are not actually Spectra Flame paint job because that actually cost more. So Mantle is not going to do that. So if anyone is saying the STH actually has Spectra Flame paint job, that is not the case. It does look similar, but I may to do a little bit of research on that one. Maybe while doing the next STH unboxing, I do have one more, which is that I don't know, man, that fantasy car, Celero GT. I do have that one, so I may to unbox that. During that unboxing, I will let you know what is the exact paint job that they are using, or at least I can tell you that that is not the Spectra Flame paint job one. Okay, so it does have headlight details, which is really nice. So in the card, they actually shown that Hotwheels flame here, in this number plate, but it is not here in this one. And there are no tail light details as usual. You can see some scratches here. It is a scratch. So it does have rear view mirrors, which is really nice, and it does have wiper details, that also really nice. So the chassis is fully plastic, if you guys are wondering. The body is fully metal. So it does have some nice interior detail to it. Let me just try to focus here. I hope you guys can able to see it. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, it weighs 3.3 grams. Okay, again, it doesn't feel actually that heavy. I thought it would be somewhere around or under that 3 grams range. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it does roll really nice. Not much of a wheel wobble in the first run. Yeah, it does roll really nice. I don't see any wheel wobble here, which is really good. That is nice. I really want to do it a couple more times as well. One more time. It does roll really well. I like it. Okay, after a long time, I think we got a good car which rolls without any wheel wobble, and it does cross the end of the track which we are having. So the paint job is actually nice. So only thing is, if they added some detailing on the rear, for the tail lights and all, it would look really nice. I know this is not a premium or even card art premium. They are not going to paint on all the four sides and all these things. But honestly, man, you are paying so much nowadays, and At least this is a very simple thing which you can do. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.